Hi, hello, namaskara. I'm Sachin Pinto. I super Sachin. Weather looks awesome. Saktapagide weather. Let's go out.
It's around like 80 days since lockdown. We haven't gone outside anywhere. So we're just going for a quick ride and we'll see how is it outside.
Don't forget to wear mask. Okay. See you soon, guys. Bye. It's 9 June and time is 7:10 p.m.
Started off our ride, and the first thing we see is a BMTC bus. They are making sure passengers maintain social distance. So if you see this, every alternate seat has only been occupied.
Guys, moving ahead, on the right hand side you can see a mall which is on the Mysore road. During unlock 1.0, all the malls were given go ahead. Please do follow the SOPs because government has given some SOPs. Whenever you enter, please follow them.
You can see a family ahead. All are wearing masks but missed wearing helmets. Please note it is very important to wear helmets while riding, and so do our mask.
ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕೊರೋನಾನ ಸೇಫ್ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿನ ಸೇಫ್ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನಾವಿರೋದು ಹೀಗೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಹೀಗೆ.
As we enter the central Bangalore, we see a lot of people wearing their helmets and masks. It's very good to see they are prioritizing their safety over everything. We are near to the Kia Market flyover. This is almost 2.9 kilometers long, and if you see, the roads are very peaceful.
Now we are passing SP Road. This is called the electronic hub of Bangalore. Unfortunately, this is one of the containment zone. You can see the area sealed. Now entered MG Road, which is Namma Bengaluru's heart of the city, which used to be one of the crowdest place on any possible day. Difficult to get even a parking slot. Today it's just opposite, with less traffic and less people coming around. You can see metro station on my left, which is shut down. Want to see those old Bangalore days back soon. Very nice to see a cab here. He has used his creativity and covered between passenger and the driver, which is actually good. People should follow this. This is Bangalore's famous Brigade Road. I'd never seen this road like this. With less people, less crowd. As I spoke about cab, here you can see one more live example. If you see this, he has completed COVID-19 safety training completion certificate. Hats off. Congratulations. Between the driver and the passenger, he has covered a plastic sheet to maintain social distancing, which is very nice. This is one of the famous liquor store. Let's go ahead and see what's next. This is one of the luxurious mall in Bangalore. It is operational since June 8th, but as people are staying home safe, we see less crowd at present. This is a perfect example of social distancing. This is what we like about our people. All are maintaining social distancing between each other. On my right you can see MTR, which is very famous in South India. They're all set for operations. You can see barricades placed inside.
On our way, we met an elderly couple who were selling leeches. We just gave them a small piece of advice to be safe and maintain social distance.
ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆರಾಮಿರಿ ಹುಷಾರಿರಿ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಗೀಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ
This was all about today. We just came out for a quick ride, but we ensured to be safe. So stay safe. Places are opening because of economy, not because it's safe. Now it's our responsibility to keep our family and country safe. Let's do it. If you like this video, please do subscribe my page. I am Super Sachin. See you soon.